bottom navigation menu is ready. Next, we will create all the packages.
Oh, God. Don't know what the hell I'm doing. Why is the search not coming up? Why is the search not coming up there? I'm learning, Pratham, I'm learning to code totally on my own, using a combination of ChatGPT and video tutorials, and creating my first news blog app that I'm trying to connect to my app, basically. So I'm using the Android Studio. I don't know much to. I think I've got VS Code downloaded. Is that better? Are you a programmer? I've just basically downloaded Flutter and then Android Studio, and I'm working from Android Studio. So yeah, it's bloody hard, isn't it, Prathams? Bloody hard. 4 days I've locked myself away. It took me 3 days just to get the configuration of the software right, and now I'm just getting into the coding and learning the language, and I just think it's one of those things that you have to do. And so I'm following some tutorials online. I'm using ChatGPT to help me. This is all pretty new, but I've got up to here now, so I have this so far, and then hopefully I'm gonna develop a nice little. So I started using Dart. So it's using the Kotlin language in there. I think it's called Kotlin, but as far as I know, I think this is all Dart. So I started using Dart at the start, but honestly, Pratham, my terms and everything, I'm learning everything from scratch. I'm like 40 years old, my friend, and I'm learning all this. And I've always wanted to just develop an app on my own. I was going to give it to somebody to do, but I thought, let me try. I've always wanted to try this. What language do you know in terms of programming? I'm 40, mate. 40 years old. But I love technology. I love everything to do with technology. You know Python, right? You're like you're cooler than I am. I've never used I tried to use Python once, but yeah, I'm 40, my friend. Believe it or not. Gonna be 41 in July. How old are you? Is 40 very old? Do you think I should give up? Oh, I wish I was 17, man. I wish I was 17. I'd love to be 17. Don't waste your youth, my friend. Get into all of this stuff while you can. Life goes very quickly. It goes by, and just have fun. All this technology you guys have, you youngsters, is so much fun. And yeah, I remember when the internet first came out. Good. I'm really glad you do. I love it. I love when I go to a lot of conferences and tech conferences because I'm a tech journalist, and you know, I mainly kind of look at the new AI tools and do interviews with people. But the amount of youngsters at these conferences are just amazing, and their knowledge and how intelligent they are is just beyond me. So mainly I go online and I follow a lot of like Indian coders actually. The Indians are just amazing. They do amazing tutorials and it's all for free. So I thought, why not learn some coding? Have you built anything nice with Python?
Yes, I'm ready.
Oh, I see what I've done here. I've put search. Should be search 24. Yeah, I think I have more life experience. Seen the world change. But I don't know if it's for good or bad sometimes. That still needs to be seen. I hope we can use all this technology to solve a lot of the world's problems. Just make life a bit easier for people. Okay, what am I doing here? Oh, headlines, baseline, headlines. I keep doing this wrong. Is it XML? No. Search 24. Ah, .xml. No. Good. Well, you know, it's something. What do you want to do when you are you at college or something right now? Yep. Married. What am I doing here? Drawable icon at baseline. I was jumping on here because I thought maybe some people might come and say, "Hey, you're doing this wrong and you're doing that wrong." Good. Where are you from? Are you in India? Oh, good. What part of India? I want to visit India one day. Do you like it? Do you ever want to go somewhere else? What part of India are you from? Oh, Kolkata. I met a girl from Kolkata. She runs a kind of LMS company, learning management system company, um, called SDL Corp. She came all the way from Kolkata to London for a conference. You can see her interview on my channel. Her name's Sohag. Very, very lovely lady who has a company there. Oh, I'm having some trouble here now. I haven't got a base 9. Trouble base 9. Don't need headlights. Okay, I'm having some trouble here now. Let me see. So then I normally just, when I have trouble like this, I have to ask ChatGPT. I know it's something to do with my drawable files and it's not corresponding. So I've got the search fragment, I've got the title search, which is there. Ah, maybe is it case sensitive? Mm. Thank you, I appreciate it. My family think I'm crazy. But don't know. You know, I think you should always be learning stuff. You know, yeah, I'm from London. I live in London. Great city of London. Sometimes great, sometimes not. Have you been to London? What is going on here? Yeah, well, you should come, man. Come down to London, my friend. It's not the best city, but it's not the worst, you know? Lots of things going on. But I think India is on the way, hopefully. Go to like places like Bangalore and stuff, where all the technology, I think it happens in Bangalore, isn't it? Mm. What's this? Why is this happening? So, yeah, they were telling me that Bangalore is this IT hub. I just want to go and visit all these IT hubs and see all the stuff that people are creating. So many inventors when I go on YouTube and I look at just ordinary people, you know, inventing things and just with their computer and their phone and doing amazing work. Hopefully, Pratham, you'll invent something wonderful that will benefit mankind, hopefully. Unlike me. I can't even code. No, I don't want to use that. It's located in... Yes, it is located baseline. Ah, no, it's not. Interesting. How did I miss this? Good. I'm glad it's motivating you. I wish my own youngsters were as motivated. I think people sometimes, some young people, especially in London, they don't realize what they have, you know. Because I can remember a time when we didn't have all this technology and a time where we do have it now, I realize how life was so much more different and a little more difficult, you know. And suddenly everything's at your fingertips. It's like magic. I think like all of this stuff is like magic spells, you know. Okay, I think I need to go back. I'm very young then, so you give some advice. Yes, you can take my advice, you can ignore it. Um, but if I was young, I would take my advice. It's just, I think there's two things, Pratham, if I could tell you. Don't, just find your passion, and then hopefully your financial situation will take care of itself. But also don't become obsessed too much, because I think the culture now is that you must do this and you must become the best, and if you don't become the best, then you are nothing and you are a failure. What are you doing? You should be sleeping 4 hours you know only, and all this kind of stuff. It's everything is so extreme, you know people just need to relax a little bit, and everything has its time, I think. And there's so many things as you grow older, and as your responsibilities grow, there's so many things that you won't have control over, you know I mean, I can say this because someone very close to me just passed away. They just died recently, and it was such a shock, and they were still so young. And I thought to myself, this person was always planning stuff. They were always planning things for the future, for their kids, and they just vanished, And life is it's full of surprises, full of pleasant surprises, full of tragic surprises. And, you have to, as we say, just roll with the punches. But hopefully, you seem like a good person. I'm sure you're going to do wonderful, fantastic things. Okay, I need to create a new asset, so I need to do this now. I need to go to here, new. I have to go to the res folder. New vector asset. And namaste, my brother. Namaste. Thank you very much for stopping by. I appreciate the conversation. Coding can be very lonely. Where did I see the problem was? Yes. Search. I didn't. Baseline search 24 XML. Thing is, they keep changing these things, don't they? Because some of the videos are so. There's little things that they change in the software. Oh, why isn't this doing? Very interesting. Go here. Oh no. I see what's happened. I need to learn to name my files better, you know. Come on, mate. Rename. I go to the path where this file is. There's nothing in there. No, there is something in there. Download. Where did I put you? There you are. Okay. It must not contain. Must only contain no cases and no underscore. I see. So your file names must contain no lowercase. You learn something new every day. But why isn't it showing? I will copy the path. Oh, I'd love to type it in. Where are you? Where are you? Need to get organized. Properties. Why won't you? Oh, where are you? The file. Search 24. Oh, now you've changed the name. Oh dear, what have you done now? What have you done? Oh no, I have to add it, don't I? Okay. Vector asset. We're going to call it. Oh, if I change that, then I'll have to change everything else. Let's call it search. Y24. It's interesting. Oh, the 244. Then I'll go here. See if it's down there. Ah, there we go. Haha, there we've done it. Yes. Okay. Oh, come on. Trouble. Yes. Should come up now, mate. Oh, why isn't this? Why isn't that? So I've got headlines, I've got favorites, and then I've got headlines, favorites, drawable 24, search fragment, search, drawable. Why are you not coming up? Don't know why the text is not coming up in black. It should be headlines, favorites, and search. But there isn't a search coming up. What am I doing wrong? Baseline search. No, Nacho, this is I'm using Dart and I'm in Android Studio. I'm not a coder, as you can see. I'm not a coder at all. I'm learning to code. I've just been learning for about 3 days, and I'm trying to build a news app basically that links to my website and pulls in all the blog feed. So I'm just using a combination of online video tutorials and ChatGPT, and I'm stuck at the moment because I've got this far. I have headlines and favorites, and as you can see down there, I have this code, and for some reason the search is meant to be a search in there as well, but it's not coming up. What could it be? If you have any suggestions, guys, help us out. Okay, search, drawable, baseline, create a drawberries. Ah, okay. I think I know what's going on. What did she do, this girl in this video? Ah, yes, I didn't do one of these. For that, did I? Oh no, now I've lost everything. Well, I haven't lost everything, but oh no, I might have to sync it all up again.
And now let's create version is different of the tabs.
That wouldn't have been a menu, would it? Would have been a search.
And inside it,
Get rid of
the
this.
menu resource file and bottom navigation menu.
Let's come back. Then I need to.
And done. Now, as the bottom menu has 3 fragments, remember headlines, favorites, and search. And done. And inside it, create a menu resource file as bottom navigation menu. Create a menu resource the tab and we will create 3 items.
Sorry, I'm just going back to another view.
3 fragments and packaging. Group it, indicate it up. And done. Now, as the bottom menu has 3 fragments, remember headlines, favorites and search, and we will create 3 items. The first item is headlines fragment as ID. Then title as headlines and icon as headlines. Similarly, I will create for favorites item as well. And that's it.
Where did she get the bloody drawable? I've got search border, but I haven't got search. But she didn't create that. I'm sure she did not create that. Where have I gone wrong? Here. Search. Okay, looks like I need to bloody go back again.
First, create a menu directory. Headlines, ship. Next, we will create all the packages. Similarly, I will create for favorites item as well.
Do not understand why that is not coming out. See, the problem I'm having now is that that should say headlines, favorites, and then search. But I'm not getting that. I am getting Let me ask ChatGPT. The problem is when you ask ChatGPT, how do you ask it something like this? My the text for headlines and favorites, but not for search. Why is this? Double check that the search fragment item has a correct Android title attributed to it. Ah, good question. Can't find. If search fragment doesn't appear as an autocomplete suggestion, it usually means it hasn't been defined in your navigation graph or declared as a valid destination. That's why the label might also not be showing, because the navigation item points to a non-existent destination. The navigation item points to non-existent. So open your nav graph. Oh my god. What is it asking me now? I am in that. Open your nav underscore graph, typically reservation. Ooh. Any coders can help me. Headlines favorites. The coding is right. There should be headlines favorites and then search. I'm following a video. I've done everything exactly like the video. But it's still not working. Why? So I try and run it and see what happens. Oh no, don't run it yet. Oh shit. Oh god, I left out a line of coding there. Oh Jesus. At plus ID. Cursor. I'm totally new to this. Everyone's been telling me to use Cursor. What's the big deal about Cursor? Because I heard it's like intuitive and it will just do the programming for you. I don't know if you're still there. I need to look into it. First everybody was like use Flutter and then use the Android develop. Then everyone's saying jump onto Cursor. That's the problem with this technology. It's like something coming out every bloody week, isn't there? It can make the process much easier. You prompt the AI and it makes the work. Really? I'll have to check it out. I wonder how you'd prompt how would you prompt it? Would you have to know coding language to prompt it? Or natural language? I'm on the website now, I'm looking at it now. Get answers from your code base. Editing and Cursor lets you write code using instructions. Update entire classes of functions with a single prompt. Bloody hell. Yeah, I'll look into it, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm totally new, you know, and I kind of wanted to like learn a language and just trying to build this news app. Oh, maybe it wasn't the first project. Yeah, because you know at the moment it's interesting you're saying that, because at the moment I'm going like I'm watching a YouTube video that's teaching me how to do this, and then when I get stuck I go to ChatGPT. But if you're telling me there's like a ChatGPT specifically for coding where I can just tell it, like, could I tell it something like build me a news app that feeds in the news, uh, feeds news from my blog. Do you know what I mean? That's a problem. I don't even know how the language works with all this stuff. Basically, I'm trying to just design a news app that connects to my website and just feeds all the news that I put up on my website into this news app, and it's integrated and updates as I update my website. I mean, it's simple. It's probably like a really simple thing to do, but if you're not familiar with coding, yeah, you know, because I thought I'd try and learn some of the language a bit. It's my like my 4th day. Total beginner. Don't know anything about coding. Took me bloody 3 days just to install this Flutter and Android Studio. Fuck, took me ages. But I'll definitely check out Cursor. Thanks for that. Thanks, I appreciate it. There's so much to learn. There's so little time. Start it, you will see some AI options. Use Cursor 3 process. Thank you, thank you. Are you a programmer? Have you built anything using Cursor? Before you answer that question, right? Are there? Because the other thing I was trying to do is use templates. Nice. Thanks for stopping by, mate. Appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and pop by again. Thanks a lot. Have a great night, day, wherever you are. Thank you. Okay, Cursor, I will bookmark and check out tomorrow. But I must get this coding done. Ah, I've got it. Why wasn't it working before? What's all this red stuff? Oh, there's 2 menus. Don't need that. Okay, well, it's there now. It's there, which is a good thing. Element type style must be... Oh, I cannot deal with this now. What is going on here? I will do this. I will complete it.
And that's it. Our bottom navigation menu is ready. Next, we will create all the packages and fragments. I'm not going to create all the classes, only fragments and packages. Got it? First package is adapters.
Oh my God, well, I haven't got Kotlin and Java. I haven't got a Java file in here. Why is that? Uh-oh. Great. You think you're getting somewhere, and then you're bloody not getting anywhere. What's she doing here now?
We will create 3 items. So first item is headlines fragment as ID.
Yep.
Got it? First package is adapters.
.com. Where's she gone? She's gone there. Package. Okay, she's definitely in the .com. Art folder. Gotta create a new package. Sorry guys, I'm just recording this all for myself, you know. Adapt. Adapt.
This is where we will have a recycler view header. Adapter class. Next package is API.
Next package is API. API.
This is where all the retrofit related classes will be. The next package is DB, database. This is where all the room database related classes will be. The next package is models. This is where all the data related classes will be. The next package is repository. This is all a part of the database related class. Then we have next package as util. This is where the resources will be stored. Then last package is UI. This is where main activity, view models and fragments will be. Next, to make the project more readable, I will rename the main activity to news activity. Always remember to rename using refactor. Use Shift plus F6 for shortcut or through right click menu. It's like if you rename a variable directly, then only at that particular place the variable name will be changed. And everywhere in the code it will remain the same. That's a very incorrect approach. So instead go for refactor. So if you rename a variable, it will be changed all over in the project.
God, this.
Great. Also, don't forget to change layout name as well.
Layout name. What's she changing it to? Activity news. It's all these things just flying by you.
And move news activity in UI package. And move news activity in UI package.
Move news activity into the UI package. Oh. Refractor.
In Inside UI only, we will create a separate package for fragments. Like this way. And now inside it we will have 4 fragments.
This is where it's all gonna go wrong for
Article
me.
fragment, favorite fragment, search fragment and headlines fragment.
Oh, slow down, slow down.
Inside it we will have 4 fragments. Article fragment, favorite fragment, search fragment and headlines fragment. So let me quickly create it. Inside it we will have 4 fragments. Article fragment, favorite fragment, search fragment and headlines fragment. So like this way. And now inside it we will have 4 fragments. Article fragment, favorite fragment, search fragment and headlines fragment. So let me quickly create it. And headlines fragment.
Slow
So
down.
let me article fragment, favorite fragment, search fragment.
What is she doing now? Article fragment. Oh.
And headlines fragment. So let me quickly create it. I created article fragment, favorite fragment, search fragment and headlines fragment. So let me quickly create it.
Favorites fragment.
And see, we have 4 fragments with their XML layouts as well. I'll quickly remove all the unnecessary code from all the fragments. And done. Close all the tabs. Then next, we have 4 fragments with their XML layouts as well. I'll quickly remove all the unnecessary code from all the fragments. And see, we have 4 fragments with their XML layouts as well. I'll quickly remove all the unnecessary code from all the fragments. Remove all the unnecessary code from all the fragments. And done. Close all the tabs. Then next, to fetch or display all the latest news, we will require internet. So obviously we have to take permissions for it, right? So go to Android Manifest. Here ask for access network state permission. And internet permission. And done. Then next, let's design all the XML layouts. First, let's start with fragment article. I'll copy paste the code and then I'll explain you the elements present in it, okay? And done. Now see, in fragment article we have used WebView. WebView allows you to display the content of website in your app itself. So the entire article will be seamlessly displayed using WebView. And then in that article itself we will have a floating action button. So when the user will click on it, it will add that particular article into the favorites list. Got it? Also please keep in mind with all the IDs so that you don't get confused while writing the code. Now let's design the favorites fragment as well. Here copy paste the code. And done. See, there is a text view as favorite title. Also, you are supposed to add Poppins font, otherwise it will show you error. How do we add it? Listen to me. Click on the text view. In design, we have attributes, then search for font family, then scroll for more fonts. And done. See, there is a text view as favorite title. Also, you are supposed to add Poppins font, otherwise it will show you error. How do we add it? Listen to me. Click on the text view and design. And we have attributes, then search for font family. family, then scroll for more phone. And then they search for Poppins regular. And done. Then below it, a recycler view. So whatever we save in our favorites list, it will be displayed in the form of recycler view. And that's it. Now, as we are using internet to display videos, so there are chances of internet connectivity issues or maybe no internet, right? So to
Oh, why isn't the text showing? Just came up. Time to ask ChatGPT. Oh, so it should give me a list. Why is the list not coming up? Exactly this.
below it, a recycler view. So whatever we save in our favorites list, it will be displayed in the form of recycler view. And that's it. Now, as we are using internet to display videos, so there are chances of internet connectivity issues or maybe no internet, right? So to handle that, we will create an item layout for all the internet errors, like you can click on the button to refresh it. Hence, I'll create a new layout resource file named as item error. Item layout for all the internet error. It's like you can click on the button to refresh it. Hence, I'll create a new layout resource file named as item error. And copy paste the code. And done. Now see, here is a text view which says no internet and a button that says retry. We will handle them logically in the code. Next, go to fragments headline.
Oh my god. It's so much, 18 minutes into this video. But I've been on the video for maybe 2 hours now. What a mission. Don't know how do people learn to code? There's no way. They must learn this from when they're very, very young. Otherwise, it's impossible. It seems like it is a language. So if you joined me just now, guys, I'm on a journey to create a news app that connects my website to this news app that I'm trying to create. So everything that I post on my website should turn up in the form of a feed on my app. And no, I'm not the lady. I'm following a lady and I'm using ChatGPT. This lady's amazing though, guys. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie. This Android knowledge, I've tried so many videos, and even though I'm using like ChatGPT and all these things to try and help me, she really breaks it down. And it just so happened that she actually had an entire tutorial teaching you how to do a news app in Android Studio. And she does explain some of the language, but I think it's more for people who have a grounding in it. But the video, she also has like a website, and it has all the coding in there. If you see that, she has this website as well, and it has all the lines of code, but you still need to follow the tutorial because you can't just like open everything up, and there's still there's still quite a lot that you have to do manually. So it's a good website, Android Knowledge. Check it out. This is my 4th day doing this anyway, so failing. I mean, just setting up the damn thing took me 3 days. Oh. But yeah, mate, Rover Koech, thank you for joining. And are you a programmer? you are, can you give me any tips? Because I'm just here to get knowledge from people. What language or what software do you use? Or would you recommend? Am I making life very difficult for myself?
I'll copy paste the code. And done. Now see, here we have a text view as headlines title. Then below it a recycler view where all the articles will be displayed. Then if the user has internet problems and recycler
Oh, great. Thanks for the encouragement. Hopefully, gonna just work through these videos and use ChatGPT and so it's a good channel, and people have been coming on here and giving me some tips here and there, but I need to do some serious studying. I think one day I sit down with the manual, but appreciate it. Okay, well, I'm gonna head to bed, guys, because I got work tomorrow as well. And thank you for stopping by on the live. Appreciate it. And follow the journey if you can. Subscribe. And let's see what mess I make with this thing. Take care, guys. Have a good night, day, wherever you are.